we're the Silva sisters here, and today we're going to go to Canberra. Come along and join us on our ride. We're going to have lots of fun today, and we have a different video where we go to the National Dinosaur Museum, and you watch that video after you watch this one, okay? Let's go have some fun! Come and join us at the Australian Mint where we make our money! That's what's on the first coin. 50-cent coin.
50-cent coin, was it?
Yeah. We're gonna do a treasure hunt in the Australian Mint. We have to find stuff around the mint place, and I've already found the coin stairs.
The coin stairs? Alright, let's go explore. Oh, those coins. Rich.
Are those real coins?
Yeah.
They look like 5-cent coins.
The 5-cent coins.
Why did they not put it out?
That's just part of the, this is where we make our money. Look, all the coins up on the roof. Alright, so what's the next thing we need to
Our
find?
staircase is filled with 15,500 coins.
Holy smokes.
Now that is a lot of coins.
It's a lot of coins. Right, what's the next thing
We
we
have
need
to
to
try and
find?
find some shiny objects.
Some shiny objects. I think that might be easy.
Which actual coins can you find at the top of the stairs?
The top of the stairs. Oh, there's lots of different ones. Must be a bit of a theme at the moment. We just come from dinosaurs, didn't we?
Are we on this
It's the theme at the mint, yeah. Oh, what's the next thing we're looking for, Summer?
We're looking for the holy dollar.
The holy dollar. 1 in a million. Oh, that's a bit
It's a chipped coin.
unusual, isn't it? There's a double header.
Where's the holy coin?
Let's go looking for it.
It's an Olympic one. Holy coin.
Holy coin. Look, the holy dollar. We found it, we found it, we
A
found it.
holy dollar. Right
Next thing we're
here.
looking for are the
Is a
different types of 50 cents.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go find
See
them.
right here some.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah. It's one of the factories down there. They make the coins. Look, and you can see it tells you all the different, you click into them, all the different processes and how to make them. Press down, they press it. Lots of pressure. See?
$1.
Yeah, pops a dollar coin.
That's where they're making it fun.
You can see where they made the Sydney Olympic gold medals. Look, Sydney 2000. So that's the gold medal, the silver medal, and the bronze medal at the Olympics. Daddy worked at that one. So we found that one. Medal. Old 1 and 2 cent coins. Oh, there you go. So the Sydney bronze was made out of old 1 and 2 cent Australian coins.
That is it over there.
Yeah.
Guys, once again, we just finished enjoyable time at the Mint, and now we're gonna go have some lunch, and we'll see you guys a little bit later. Maybe we're going to Parliament House, maybe we're going to... I can't tell you anything, just very well.
We're just fueling up, aren't we, girls? Having lunch. So we're trying to work out what's next on our Canberra day. We just did the mint, didn't we? We made the money. We'll work out what we might want to do next. And the girls are doing their favourite thing, which is eating. we go.
600.
That's in front of Parliament House.
Turn right to stay on Federation Mall, then you will arrive at your destination.
All the Australian flags.
That's a lot of Australian flags. Gosh. We're in there and we're very excited. What the? Oh my god.
Look at all the flags. Imagine having to put all of those down. The fountain comes down through there. Out through there.
Dad, you played chocolate here.
Yeah, I did. Went to play for the Prime Minister. To the Queen, weren't you? Yeah.
We're inside the Parliament House now and it's very big.
Gonna go and sign another one to the Queen. Yeah. I wonder if we're gonna run into someone famous. Oh. Except for 2 YouTubers. And this is with our big special events at the Parliament House. This is where they have the big special events. They sit down and they eat.
I was born. The memorial for the Queen. The big, huge Lego Parliament House. They're having a meeting. Now we're going to the House of Representatives.
Where we make laws, isn't it? Australian laws.
Hello! We're going to the Parliament shop. Traditional thing where we have to roll down the grass, and my dad did it when he was younger, but he got made sick at the end. So whenever we...
Yeah, so it's an Aussie tradition, and it's also a De Silva tradition, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's go down the side of Parliament House. Can you do it? Go, Sienna. Oh, summer's off. Oh, she's going sideways. Sienna's gonna fall off. Are you gonna make it? Halfway. Halfway. All right, halfway down. Go, 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 go. Nearly there, Summer! Woo! Go touch the bottom! Oh, it's like a washing machine. She's nearly there. Summer's gonna win the race. Go, Sam. And woo! Good job, Sammy. How do you feel? Sienna, hope she's still alive. Nearly there. I think Summer's gonna run down it now. You're nearly there, Sienna! Can she make it? Woo! Good job! How do you feel?
Good.
Go, Summer. Summer's running it now. Sienna's very dizzy. Go, Sam! In her boots. Watch out for the pothole. Oh, Sienna's fallen over in the background. Good job, Sammy. That's the new family tradition. You got to run down it afterwards. Okay? Good job. Sienna, is she gonna make it? Is she gonna make it? Woohoo! How do you feel now? All right, home time. See you at Parliament House. Bye.
We've had a really fun time at the Parliament House today, and my favourite thing was when we were walking around the Parliament House, seeing all the coolest things and pictures would probably be the outside area. It's really fun, and there's lots of water. I love water and water fountains, and also rolling down the hill. That was really fun. And seeing our queen. What was it, Sienna? Rolling down the hill and seeing the queen on the pitch. She's acting like a queen. Bye-bye, Parliament House. Hi guys, we just got home from all of our excitement and we're eating dinner, and we had a very fun day today, and join us on our part 2 of our Canberra trip, which is going to be tomorrow and the next day and maybe the next day, and we're going to have lots of fun. See you next Sunday. See you, mate.